Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the interesting topic which called as keyword. If you know keyword, you will be able to earn $5,000 per month, right? You believe or not, it is true because the if you want to earn money online, okay, if you are interested to earn money online, your intention to earn money online, you must know the keywords. If you know keywords well, you will be able to earn money. Okay, so what is keyword? Keywords are once you when you go to Google, you have to type something else. If you are types of dog, foods, this is called as keyword. Okay, what is the keyword you are type? According to the keyword, the result will be displayed. Okay, these are called as keyword. Okay, so here you will be able to click which one you prefer of these particular websites. You can go and get the informations. Okay, dog foods. Okay, first you are the persons are coming here, read the titles, and which title go their mind, you can go and go to that particular website and check the result. Okay, this the once you check the result. Okay, so once you stay on that particular website, this is called as a bounce rate. Okay, if the person does stay many times, so that they spend more times on your website, your bounce rate is uh, reduced. So you will be able to make money online, so via your Google AdSense or any other networks. Okay, so the keywords are very much once the keyword people are searching frequently. Okay, so the work foods. So so this is the things. So the best dog foods. So there are plenty of keywords. So if you have to go to that searching the AI tools, so ChatGPT, best AI tools, best AI tools. This is known as keywords. Okay, these are called as keywords. Okay, you must understand the keywords well. Okay, so if you are working with the any other platforms, if you may be working as a Fiverr or any other freelancer platform, stock photography like Adobe Stock or Shutterstock, any other platform, you must know the keywords. It is Shutterstock also working for frame is based on the keyword. Okay, once the people are coming to the Shutterstock, they are searching the images. Once your image is coming on the search on the Shutterstock, they if they like, they will buy. So if they like, so if what is the keyword they are typing, upon the result will be displayed on the page, you must implement that particular keyword. Okay, first you have to research the keyword, how the people search on that topic. Okay, so here imagine you are going to selling the uh, uh, we called as we are selling the shoes, men shoes, men shoes. Okay, men shoes. You having a e-commerce website. Okay, you have already made the e-commerce website. You are selling the men shoes. Okay, only the men shoes you are selling. Once the people coming there, coming your near your city or reside in your city, they are searching the men shoes. So once the search on the men shoes, the what is the result is coming the first page, they go to the website, they are coming across that result. Okay, and you just click on and go to that particular website, and they may buy your product. So this keyword is very important stuff. You have to rank that keyword, what the people are searching. If you are type men shoes, you can see men casual shoes in Sri Lanka, branded shoes, branded shoe price. So these are the way people are searching. You can see these are the type of people are searching. This is called as keywords. How the people are search, how the search terms work. So these are the keyword you must implement. Okay, so when you are selling the Facebook products, when you are create the shop on Facebook or Instagram. So you have to implement this keyword as a hashtags. Okay, this keyword, when the people are come across via the Facebook, they they're going to search something like shoes or something else. Your shop will be maybe pop up. They easy to buy your product as well. Okay, so you having a good product in your shop. Okay, so that you don't have shades, because the problem is you don't have a proper keyword research. Okay, you proper you don't include the you didn't include the proper keywords in your shops. That is the reason. Okay, if you identify these are the issues, okay, these if you solve out these issues, you will be able to sell your product to the right customers. Okay, ultimately they buy your products. Okay, if you reach out, if you get most customers, so you have to rank on your these keywords. These are keywords are very important stuff. Okay, so every platform work like that. It's Google or you. If you want to, if you are making the YouTube, if you are making the YouTube channel also, you have to some other things. If you are doing the make money online, so that is a very the people are very curious about that topic, how to make money online. Okay, how to make a YouTuber, so that those kind of keywords you can search how the people they earn money online, earn money here, earn money. Okay, how the people are searching here, earn money from Facebook. Okay, this kind of keywords people are usually searching. Okay, so that take these keywords and you can make the video and you will be able to grow it. Okay, don't make the video without people are searching for. Okay, you have to make the video based on the people search. Okay, this is the called as keywords. Okay, this is simple way. Keywords are the searching term of the people. Okay, that is the meaning of keyword. You must understand the keyword. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. If you love my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.